Okay, right, this is a different video. I'm going to show you the options of this Candy Grando Vita 7 kilogram A++ 1600. So obviously I've started it to off. So I do right, this is the first one, right. So that when it says L3, that means stay in level 3. So if you press options, that's wins plus, which is like high wins and extra wins. This I think it's hygiene. Yeah, hygiene plus or something. Easy iron. But bear in mind that functions are only available for 60 degrees, so when you drop that, well, 60 degree and 90 degrees, so you could do 40 degree. Oh yeah, that's why, because that's lit up, so when that's not lit up it will go down, so yeah, does all degrees to 90 degree, and then the spin all the way, so yeah, that's on the white, and obviously delay time, and also you can change it to stay in level 2, and also 2 hours and 11 minutes, but 2 hours and 49 minutes, so each level is like shorter than that, so yeah, that's white. Cottons plus pre, which is like pre-wash, so that goes on for 3 hours and 2 minutes, but it obviously doesn't, so options is available for extra wins. Hygiene plus for 60 and 90 degree. I think this only does up to 60 degree anyway. So that's your delay timer. That's, I'm not going to press that. Obviously you stay in level, so it makes it a lot quicker. Very sensitivity as well as washer. So obviously we've got the options for, yeah, Cottons Plus does only up to 60 degree, and all the things I think, so yeah, that's the Cottons Plus pre-wash eco mix. I've never used this one, and that can only do up to 20 degrees, so you can still have extra wins. No hygiene plus, no easy iron, but delay timer will work. Stay in level won't work, and temperature stays the same, but the spin only goes up to 1200, so yeah, that's the eco mix. Just a normal box standard Cottons. That says 3 hours and 51 minutes, but it never does that. I've tried it, so options. Obviously it's got extra wins, you can do that. Can't do hygiene plus because it needs to be on a 60 degree for that. Easy iron, don't think that's accessible. So stay in level 1, an hour and 56 minutes. Stay in level 2, 2 hours and 31 minutes. Stay in level 3, 3 hours and 51 minutes, and obviously your degrees, that only goes up to 60 degree and all the way to 1600 to no spin, it also does, see that. Like that. So we're on the synthetics, I use this all the time, so yeah, options. Hygiene Plus is only available when you put it on a 60 degree, so you get extra wins. Stay in level 1, you can do it all to stay in, yeah, all that. I always go for stay in level 1, which is a quick wash, and that I always think synthetics on a candy is the main wash cycle for any you need to use. That goes up to 60 degree, and obviously the spin speed's only up to 1200 on this, like that. And then your daily 59, obviously that's 59 minutes, so stay in level is not available, but wins, extra wins is available. Hygiene Plus is available because it's on 60 degree, and you can't change that, which is a bit awkward, but when that's not selected, I think you can, yeah, when Hygiene Plus isn't selected you can alternate that then. And obviously the spin speed, there you go. Rapid 14:30, 44 minutes, right. This might sound a bit complicated. 14 minutes is absolutely the rapid wash. So to make it to 30 minutes, I think it is, and 44 you need to press stay in level button. So that's 30 minutes. and 44 minutes I always press that, and also extra rinse isn't available, none of those functions are, so I've put the temperatures either, that only goes up to about 40 degree, and that up to 1200. So obviously wince, right, 28 minutes for a wince. You can have extra wince. Oh no, you can't, not on wince. Oh, I thought you could. 28 minutes that takes. Stain level button is unavailable. No degree. It goes up to 1200. So obviously the drain and spin. This is the drain and spin. And that's just 10 minutes. No options available, only the spin 1200 because that's all it's doing. Delicates. Extra rinse is available. They're not applicable. Oh yeah, easy iron's applicable. Stain level, no. This degree works up to 40 degree. And that only goes up to 400 watt spin. So onto the jeans. 59 minutes for a jeans wash. Extra rinse is available. Hygiene Plus unavailable. Easy iron unavailable. So, and then that's stain level unavailable. Temperature goes up to 40 degree. And obviously spin speed goes up to 1200. So we're on to baby care now. So 2 hours and 11 minutes. So options, you can still get extra rinse. 60 degree as long as you use, you can't get that when you use 40 and that, so easy iron not applicable. So stain level, does stain level 1 and stain level 2 and stain level 3, so you can have it on quick washes. And obviously change that, but when that's selected you can't do it. Goes up to 1600 that. So we're on to have a wool wash. 48 minutes. Extra rinse available. None of those, don't think. Oh yeah, easy iron's available. Hygiene, that's not available. Temperature is, no. I think this goes up to 800 watt spin. So yeah, subscribe to the channel as well. Hand wash. Extra rinse, 55 minutes. Stain level, you can't, not accessible. None of those are accessible, but easy iron is. So. And then the degrees only goes up to 30 degree, and that's about 800, I think. Yeah, max. Right, obviously can't do this one, but smart touch is where you use your phone. I'll try and do another video for that. So that's the last cycle I must have used that took 54 minutes, so you've got to reset that as when you get on the app. So yeah, I'll probably do that in another video, show you on your phone on how the cycles and that work on your phone. If I can do that for you, I'll definitely try and sort that out and then off. So yeah, all those functions on a Candy Grando Vita 7 kilogram 1600 spin, as you can see there. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of features going on, a bit busy, so, but ideal, yes, as long as you scan your phone there as well. So yeah, definitely a nice appliance to get. Automatic car flood. Link in description is down to similar products or the exact one if they still sell it, because I've had this 2 years and I'm not too sure if they sell this anymore, so I'll try and put the link down in the description where you can buy this. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.